Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Figs for babies. Figs are one of the best health supplements you can give your baby. Health benefits of figs for infants. 1. Digestion. Figs can help the baby with digestion and absorb the nutrients better. 2. Laxative. Figs have been known as a natural laxative since they are high in fiber. 3. Essential vitamins and minerals. Figs have many nutrients and minerals that can help your child grow and develop well. 4. Antimicrobial properties. Figs are antimicrobial agents. They strengthen the child's immune system as it is weak when they are young. 5. Liver. Figs are good for the liver and can provide adequate protection in conditions like hepatitis and jaundice. When can you give figs to babies? Figs for babies can be introduced as early as 6 months, but ensure that the baby is comfortable with other foods before giving it. How to choose and store figs. 1. When choosing fresh figs, check for any blemishes or marks that may be visible on the outside. 2. With dry figs, always go for reputable brands with strong packaging. 3. Figs can last around 5 days outside and up to a week in the refrigerator when fresh. Store them in a dry place or refrigerate them. How to prepare figs for babies. If the baby eats solid food, you can make recipes with it. If not, you can give fig syrup to the baby. Figs can be given to babies in the form of puree, milkshake, fig water by soaking figs in overnight water, baked figs, etc. Figs are a great source of nutrition for children and can help them in the development of the digestive and immune systems.